Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see about some of the list functions. Already have seen the list function in the last two videos and the remaining part we will see in this video. Okay friends, let's move on to the video. These are all the remaining functions in the list. Okay, then first one is the max function. This function finds the maximum value of the given list. Okay, let's see the example. I'm creating the list, but to find out the maximum and minimum element in the list should be homogeneous format. Okay, we can't find out the maximum and min value in the heterogeneous list. I am taking the integer type list. Okay, I want to find out the maximum element of the list by using the maxof function. This function used to return the maximum element of the given list. I am going to apply the max function, max of lst. Same. 89 is the maximum element of the list. Okay, and I'm going to create another one list also. Float point representation. Okay, let's see how it displays the results. Maximum of LST, say 89.6. This is the maximum element of the list. Okay, then let's move on to the next function, min of function. This function also perform the same operations like the previous one, but the difference is it's used to find out the minimum value of the given list. Okay, if we want to find out the least element or minimum value in the list, that time we should use the min-of function. I'm going to print the list again. This is our list and I want to find out the minimum element of the list. So minimum of LST. See, 4.8 is the minimum value of the list. Okay, then I'm going to perform another one. 5, 0, 89, 67, 34, 234, 675, 897. Okay, I want to find out the minimum element of the list. Minimum of LST 0. 0 is the minimum element of the list. Okay, then the next function is sort of. Sort of means used to perform the it's used to sort the element, and that means it performs the ascending. It sorted the list elements in the ascending order format. Okay, usually by applying the sort of function, it will displays the results in the form of ascending order. Okay, I want to perform the sort of function, lst dot sort of. Okay, list. See, our list has displayed in the ascending format. Okay, small 0, then 5, 34. This is a large, from small numbers to large numbers. This is the ascending order format. But if we want to if we want to display the list of elements in the descending order format, we can apply this sort of function also. But the condition is we can sort the list elements in the descending order by setting the true for the reverse. Normally it displays the list elements in the ascending order format. By default, if we want to get the elements in the descending order format, we should apply this condition. See that lst dot sort of reverse equal to true. See, elements are displayed in the descending order format. This one is the ascending order, and after applying this condition, this one is list as displayed in the descending order format. So from the large element to small one. Okay. Then the next one is clear of function. Del of function. Okay. Del of function means it's used to remove the specific element in the list. Okay. We can delete the entire list also by using this del of command. But if you want to delete the particular element inside the list, that time also we can use the del of command. It will perform the both cases, both condition. It will apply for the both conditions. Okay, I am going to remove del of list of. I want to delete the index number 3 element. See, our list is 8, 9, 7, 6, 37, 0, 1, 2, 3. 89 is the third index number position. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. So the element 89 has removed from this list after applying the del of command. And I want to remove the one more also, del of lst. See, the sixth element 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The sixth element is the 0. The 0 has removed after applying the del of command. Then without taking any element, I am going to apply the del of command list of lst of syntax error. This also cannot delete the function call. It's the function call. Okay, to remove the list object permanently. We can't delete the entire list by using the del of command. For applying that, we should use the clear of function. Okay, if you want to delete the particular element, then only we should go for the del of command. Otherwise it not be used. It's not useful. Okay, if you want to delete the entire list, then we should go with the clear of command. Okay, particular element can be replaced, deleted or removed by using del of command. The entire list will be removed by the clear of function. Okay. I want to delete the list of 0th element. See, the 897 has removed, the remaining things has come. Okay, and the clear of function used to remove the entire list from the entire list elements. Okay, all the element has removed by using the clear of function. And I am going to apply this clear of function, lst dot clear of. I am going to print lst. See, empty list will come. Okay, all the element has removed from the list at a single time, but the rel command used to remove the particular list element. Then this lst I am going to add one element by using the append of function that we have seen in the our last video. Okay, so by applying that we can add the new element inside the empty list. Okay friends. Okay, that's it today. If you have any doubt, just leave your comment in the comment box. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share this video to all your friends and don't forget to click the bell icon also. Thank you friends.